In our adult life, we spend a large part of what we do every day in our jobs. Our jobs are so important to us until it becomes who we are, and we give the most of what we have in time and energy to our jobs. It is not always just to find ways to earn money, but also we want to find fulfillment in the job and also leave a mark in the world by what we do. Essentially for us, we look for satisfaction with the work that we do, or we are likely to spend a lot of our time feeling miserable, right? Yes, I am Wong. I'm a Hrd consultant, trainer, and writer. Here are a few insights that we can reflect on how to be satisfied with our work. First, savor the task that you do. Complete your task on time. Unless you are very overworked and overloaded, complete your work on time. This will bring you greater satisfaction. And we all know procrastination or putting off a job can be tempting. But by doing your job on time, you have more opportunities to do work or tasks that matter to you. Work takes over our lives if we do not tackle the work that is overloaded. We tend to be irritable, or tense or stressed, and we need to adhere to the deadlines. And only then, if we achieve our work on time, we can go beyond what we do in our job and do the items that we love. We can also look at the work environment in order for us to be satisfied with our job. As you know, we don't work alone. We work with others. We have peers, we have co-workers. Well, you don't need to be friends with your co-worker. It is good to have a few friends, or at least friendly colleagues. You can connect and improve your relationships with your colleagues, and you will find your day-to-day work more pleasant. And because of that, your tasks are easier to complete and manage. Take your steps to become a good co-worker and maintain a friendly and pleasant disposition to create stronger connections with other people at work. While work is important, it is also important for you to allow yourself time for your passion. You may find working as your passion. In that case, it is spot on. You are in a golden space where not many of us are in. However, for many of us here, our passion lies outside the boundaries of our work or office. Hence, it is important to give time for your passion to flourish, to grow, and dedicate your time and energy to the areas of passion that matters to you. It can be gardening, it can be going on road trips, it can be working on a novel, it can be cooking for people that you love. Allow this passion to become stronger as a part of your life. As for work, you can see work that makes your passion possible for giving you sustenance or pay the bills. In this manner, your work becomes meaningful because the work that you do is investing or fueling or helping you to achieve your passion in another area. For work to be satisfying, look for the positive. Work, as you know, is not always fun. It is full of boring and unpleasant tasks that you rather not do every day, but you do it because you need to have money to fund your life and take care of your family. Look for the positive and connect strongly with the meaning of work to your life. For instance, does your work help you to stay healthy and financially stable? It does provide money, or does it bring you closer to the opportunity or career that you want? The career that you have been looking for many years, and to achieve it, your work can help you. Or you need to clear yourself about the positive areas of work that brings to your life, and you can find greater satisfaction in every task because of it. And finally, be present in the moment. It is easier to be satisfied if we allow ourselves to be at the present moment. It is difficult or boring situations becomes rewarding when our minds are fully engaged with the present moment when we do our work, instead of let our minds wander while we automatically do our work. Practice being present, and it will help you to engage in your work. Ask yourself what you are feeling, experiencing, and thinking at the moment when you are doing your tasks. Let yourself experience each and every sensation that you have, and as fully as possible without drifting too far from your present moment. Until we see ourselves in the next video, have a good day and make your life massive.